So if you haven't already, we watched a blackjack session a little earlier from Beyond Blackjack, and today, or right now, I should say, we've got NG Slot, hopefully playing at Reno, Nevada's Peppermill. Let's dive into it, you guys. I'm being a goof today. Like always, like, subscribe, head over to NG Slot's channel, and have some fun.
NG. I'm at Peppermill Casino in Reno, so they're gonna just open a reserve table for me, and then I'm gonna play my blackjack session. So let's go.
$20,000 buy-in. Just remember that. And again, great casino. Looks like he took out a couple markers.
All right,
I kind of like this.
20,000 marker and 7,000 with 1,000, 10,000 with 500, and 3,000 with 100 chips.
I like the denominations. NG's always a class act.
Thanks so much, Grace.
Thank you.
Oops, sorry about that.
Got it.
Perfect.
Got it.
That's a bet.
What is it?
I'm gonna bet everything.
Yeah, I've been giving a lot of time.
God, I would laugh.
Like,
Yeah, sure. Thanks so much.
yeah.
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
All right, my dear. So here we go. So we're gonna start full hand, $400.
The entry fee. Remember, this is the entry fee. We're going to lose it, but this is, this is our access to get in. Y'all know how I feel about that firsthand. Let me bring this up a little bit. I apologize for the audio. We're going to bring that up.
Getting
and
more
bring that down a
$1,000
little
chips
bit.
for
There
me,
we go.
guys, in the flop. So, because you never know how NG is gonna play, right? All right, and we are good to go, guys. So let's go. Two hands and $400 each. Yep, let's go. Shout out to my dealer Grace, and let's go.
Insurance?
Nope.
My insurance?
All right. So let's do one hand.
Y'all know
$400.
how I feel about the first hand. I hate it. I hate it.
All right.
And the fact that he went to one hand.
We're gonna do 100 times. Very nice. Alright. So let's do $400. Perfect, thank you, sir. So we're gonna double down. Thank you, I appreciate it. Bust. Nice. Very nice.
All right, I got turned down. We got
Okay. So
Ace of Base, which I love that song.
hope everyone has a wonderful day, guys, and drive safe and well.
She's going to get you. Oh,
It's a 900, so we just won 300 for the hand.
Sorry, guys. We got good old Ace of Base.
Yep.
NG with the OG. That was a good hand. All right, I'm going to turn it down just one last until this is over. All right, we got a little bit of action here. He said, let's get a double. All right, we can listen to just a little bit for about 30 seconds, and they'll turn it back down.
Okay. We're gonna try one hand
Should be
again.
good after that.
All right, I will take it. Guys, make sure to hit that like button for support, and if you are new here, just hit that subscribe button and bell icon that you get all the notification from NG.
I highly recommend that, you guys. Definitely go over to NG's channel, give him a like, give him a subscribe. Still waiting for Ace of Base, so chill out. Homeboy did us a favor. He just asked the manager to turn down the music.
Perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. All right. Big shout out to Peppermill Casino team, guys. All right, let's go. 2 hands, $600 each. Very nice. Sometimes when the music is loud, guys, I get a copyright issue, so I have to just mute the volume or just do some background music just to cover that copyright issue.
We all try our best.
DJ. Perfect.
Cool. Man, we can't win. Even he had to turn it down. I haven't touched anything. I wish YouTube would fix that. It's so stupid, man. Would you have hit? 18 versus a 10, you get a free hit. Definitely needed. A little heater. There we go.
It's a 1400 there, so we just won 2100 there, guys.
That's great.
2100. Perfect.
Cool.
So this is the money we start, and this is our profit. So I'm gonna leave my $1,400 bet. Let's go.
I don't know. I've gotten a lot of comments that says NG Slot doesn't know what he's doing, but I think he's pretty good.
Full hand, right? So let's go. So I just got to 11, guys. That's a $1,400 bet. I'm gonna just double down. All right, let's do it face down, please.
Face down?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Picture for me. Oh my
Oh
gosh.
wow.
That's a win. Wow.
Insane push.
That would be so nice.
I know, that would be
Insane
You know what?
push.
I'm gonna just do $400.
400.
Yeah. Don't want to give a big damage to casino. Let's go back to 800. I think we are gonna have it this time.
Only 300? We have four. I mean,
It's okay, 300.
300.
Yeah. No, she didn't. Nice. All right, we'll take it. Okay, let's go, guys. Back to two hands. Say. All right, that's a
Okay.
nice one. Oh, look at this one. Between there's a 9 card. You just have one picture. I mean 110. How many hand I kept? Like 3 or 4? The most 3 or 4 hand? The most is a 3 hand or 4 hand? 3 hand. Okay. Yeah, just want to double check. Okay. Let's go, guys. 3 hand, $800 each. Wow, where's those pictures? Alright, so let me take a video for my shot, guys. So we are playing with 3 hand, $800 each. We are gonna stay here. You can check out the full session, guys, at my NG Slots YouTube channel. Let's double down this one. I want to see that lady in the red. Let's go. Yep. With the picture. Picture. Alright, there you go. It's a nice one, guys. 6,400 swing.
That's great.
That's it. 1,600 there, 800 and 800. So 3,200 bet and 3,200 win. So guys, check out this crazy heavy blackjack session at my NG Slots YouTube channel. Also, don't forget about today's giveaway, guys. $100,000 giveaway atngslotsfreeplay.com. Just sign up. 100 lucky winner will get a $1,000 gift. All the users will get a guaranteed 30 free spin. Okay.
That was an awesome
That's a good
hand.
one. Can I get 25, please? So we're gonna keep. Can I have one more? The last hand, please. Just last hand. Yeah, just last hand. Alright, let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Alright. So
I think he has an extra 25 for that double. If
okay,
I'm
then
not
I'm gonna
mistaken.
double down this 11. Let's do up, please. Let's do up king. Just up. Okay, I will take it. Just hit here.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
I'm shocked he didn't double
Oh,
that.
nice. Oh, hold on. That's good.
See?
Maybe it will be 4, so just that's a nice one, guys. Thank you too.
So you have a 1900 or 19 over here. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
It's a 1,600, 800, and 800. So I won another
Wow,
3,000
you
on
did
it.
really good on that.
Yeah, that was beautiful.
Yeah.
The power of NG's blackjack, guys. Let's get a 10,000 like for this crazy high limit action. All right, perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you too. All right, perfect, guys. Just a second to clean up my chips from here.
How are you?
Naomi? Good to see you again.
Good to see you again.
I saw you yesterday.
Yes. How did you do last night? Good?
Yeah, I left up 20 grand, I think, something like that.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet.
All right. So we are gonna just keep going, guys, with 3 hand. Let's double check. It's 800. Yeah, it's $800 each. So here we go, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
My pleasure. Six. All right. Can I have a 4 or 5, please?
4 or 5? 4 or 5 coming up?
That's a soft 17. 20.
20. 18.
All right. Break it.
That helps.
Break even.
It's kind of weird. I don't get any pictures. Like, there is no pictures. Where's those pictures?
Yeah, that's right.
All right, just one here. Look at this one. Hopefully she's not gonna have. Oh,
Sure.
No, I don't have good cards. Ah, she has. Okay, guys, let's try to have it back. I'm gonna do just one hand. Ouch. Let's give one more shot. Perfect.
Needed that.
So we are going to do this, guys. Look at this massive stuff.
No way.
Let's go. Let's get the blackjack.
Can't even see it.
Alright, stay. Picture. Picture. Picture.
Oh, man.
12, 14, and 18. That's not cool. We just lost, how much? It's a 3,300. 32, guys. I'm gonna do 2,000, 2,000, and 2,000. 6,000 are bet, guys. It's 18. 18. No, oh, no way, man. Shoot, guys. Wow.
She took that with intent. Hold
I
on.
start the game with 500.
Hold on. Hold on. Bear with me, guys. I need to. She pulled that with intent. I need to see these
18.
cards.
18. No.
Did you see that? Watch her right hand. Can I do this incrementally? Let's see if she lifts up that card versus pulling it out. Hold on. No, I don't see her lifting it. Okay, okay, okay. I have trust issues.
No way, man. Shoot, guys.
I have
Wow.
trust issues.
Let's start the game with 500.
She pulled it with such
freaking way,
intent.
14 and 21.
Like it was like, I got it. I already know it.
What the heck is going on?
I know, right?
Okay, guys. Right now we are break even, so we are gonna do this. 300, 1,000 each.
Okay, we got some stuff to work with. Nice. Give him a big one.
All right.
He needed that.
So,
big
guys,
time.
this show I'm going to finish up 3,000. That was kind of roller coaster.
That was a huge roller coaster.
The most important,
Shuffle.
we are up at the end of the session. So here we go. That's a 7, that's a 10, that's a 2,000, and that's a 3,000. So this is our net profit.
About $3 grand.
Okay. Oops. Just a
Him
second.
and these chips. Never
2
get them.
grand and 1,000. Alright, my dears, and once again, please make sure to support me with your likes. If you are new on my channel, hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Let's get all the notification from NG. I go live twice a week. I do the twice a week giveaway and a lot of crazy high limit videos every single day. Love you guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a fantastic day.
And you guys have a fantastic day as well. And I always like to include that because I really, again, like to recommend you guys going over to his channel, like and subscribe, check it out. I'm just here to provide some sort of laughable entertainment. But holy crap, that was an epic split. And I loved that hand that he did. But holy crap, man, coming back with a vengeance with that 21. All right, guys, till the next time, I will see you in the next video. Love you like always.